No batteries required. Completely mechanical countdown timer for school, classroom, office working, kitchen cooking, gym, bodybuilding, and more. High accurate mechanical timing. No batteries needed. Durable for years. Ideal time management tool, improve time management, increase productivity with daily tasks, and more. Examples: test taking, managing playtime, bedtime routines, setting timeouts, and making sure teeth are brushed long enough. Excellent timer to help children understand the passage of time visually. Recommended for parents and teachers, especially special education and K-12 teachers. It is not intended for use by children. For special needs, the countdown clock can help those with special needs. As the time elapses, the bright colored disc disappears. The visual design of this timer helps ease transitions and encourages independence and increased productivity for people of all abilities. Smaller footprint with multiple placement options. 1. Features powerful magnetic backing panels, making it ideal to place on refrigerators, ovens, utility cabinets, classroom whiteboards, and more. 2. The two foldable legs on the backing can open up for placement on flat surfaces like desks and countertops. 3. The hanging hole is for easily wall-mounted. Easy to use. To activate the timer before each use, turn the control knob clockwise to the 55-minute position, then turn it counterclockwise to the desired time. Size is 6.3 by 6.3 by 1.77 inches, large enough to see from far distance of how much time is left. There is a gentle ticking sound that lets one know the timer is working. Top reviews from the United States. Effective. At first, I read all the other reviews about the ticking and thought, oh heck no. Thankfully, before moving on to something else, I read a review that had a positive opinion of the ticking. I have ADHD and no sense of time, and I got this timer for staying on task. I've used timers on my phone before, but the problem with silent timers is, somewhere during the 15 or whatever minutes I am supposed to be staying on task, I forget I am even in a task lull. The ticking of this timer reminds me I am supposed to be working on something and have a limited time to do it. I stay focused and work faster, more efficiently, too, because it becomes kind of like a race game. I suppose the sound might be distracting if I was using it for work to write a paper or something, but I am using it for chores, etc. And general time management. An added bonus, we go through so many batteries in this house already, it's nice to have something that doesn't need batteries. So the price you're paying for the timer is the real price, and you don't have to consider additional future cost of batteries to operate it.